नाइस गाय बट फ्लर्टी टाइप का है, ठीक ठाक है. एंड ही डेफिनेटली गिव्स गर्ल्स अ वेरी बिग इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. साला इतना चिकना सा लुक है उसका.
My first impression when I saw Deep was this guy like speaks Bengali. He looks like a Chinese. He lives and works in Bangalore, and he's a Nepali by origin. A complete hybrid product. Means I have not seen anyone like that. And also that TT, I lost only one match against him. That was in the tournament. Otherwise, I've beaten him every time.
तो मेरी मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मेमोरी है जब मैं आई यूज टू टीज हिम फॉर निशा आहा आहा आह निशा. पर अब वो बंद हो गया क्योंकि अब टीज करना है लव 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 करो. चलो ऑल द बेस्ट दी बाय मिस यू.
My best memory with Deep is Christmas 2014, Pussy Griffin. What happened in Griffin stays in Griffin.
My best memory with Deep was Somu's birthday. The entire night it was all we sang and had fun, and that's it.
Deep is that we went to that Green Gardens. What is that? So that was the first time we actually were meeting unofficially. So we had a very good time that day. So that is one of the good memories I have with Deep. And yeah, playing table tennis with Deep is also very good.
Deep, this is for you. नेपाल बटा अनिया हो, पैसा खूब कमानिया हो, and go to Nepal.
Okay, hi Deep. You know that I really hate it when you count calories. So my advice will be for you to stop counting your calories. You look great, and you're annoying when you do that.
क्या
क्या भाई
बोलना आगे.
क्या बोलना है भाई.
ताऊ गोइंग टू मिस यू जो भी.
आजा. अभी डैनी कह रहे हैं जबरदस्ती इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं. ताऊ गोइंग टू मिस यू. मैं मिस नहीं करूँगा. भाग जाओ.
Hello Deep. One thing I'll miss the most about Deep is his nature. The way he used to support me in a lot of things. We had been sharing a lot of stuff and a lot of sweet memories. And he was the one person in PFT who used to advise me, both be it in office, be it in personal perspective.
What I'm going to miss most is the one person which I rely in PFT from the moment I joined is always you. And whatever shit we did together, the way we scold other people and we bitch about other people, that will be the most memorable things with you. You will always be my partner in crime.
The things which I miss most about Deep is every morning hey Vio and roaming around telling hi to everybody. He actually gives some good atmosphere around in PFT. I'll miss all of these things. Yeah, and there are so many things I miss about him. I think I cannot list all of those, but I really miss you, Deep.
Nice to have worked with you, Deep, for whatever 4 years. I think when I joined PFT, we had a lot of challenging times, and between you and Danny, I know both of you really support us very well. Worked very hard, long hours, solved many production problems with a lot of care without bringing down the entire database. So excellent. I love the commitment all the while. I love to see you work with so much of passion and so much of commitment. Wish you the best. Do well. Keep in touch.
So Deep very hardworking guy है और क्या बोलते हैं 24/7 सर्वर के ऊपर ही बैठा रहता था जब भी माँ टीवी एपिक में काम करता था. So इसके बिना सक्सेस इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. थैंक यू सो मच Deep.
हाय पीपू भैया, व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हो? आपका भाई इधर है, देखो. मैंने बोला था मैं आपको कभी मिस नहीं करूँगा, आपको कभी मिस नहीं करूँगा, बट क्यों जानते हो? क्योंकि आप मेरे साथ हमेशा रहोगे. ब्रूज, यू नो, ब्रूज. एंड अच्छे से रहना, अच्छे से काम करना, साथ मत छोड़ना हम लोगों के, मिलते रहना, भूलना मत।
Opang Dopang Deependra Sampan, you rock.
एक बात भूल गया था, अपने बुड्ढों को मार मत देना, प्यार से रहना, नहीं तो देखना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा वहाँ।
Miss you, Deep.